Hello there, welcome to CryptoReality. What a rainy day, and please keep safe, everyone. Today, I just wanted to talk to you my four cryptos that I'm watching right now with potential good returns in the future. This bull market. First, I want you to recognize this volatile USD, which is your World Liberty Finance token, which I can say a very bullish pattern here with this ascending triangle. This is just a short review, guys, about the tokens that I'm watching. You see that? And with a measured move of this one, there, to your piece, we're gonna get this high of 0.33 US dollars, and I hope this time I'm right for this. Let's use the Fibonacci from the top to the slow, and we're hitting this 0.5 above 0.5 Fibonacci extension, your retracements level, which is golden pockets, by the way. Maybe it can go higher, but to me this is the feasible one, my target, and my analysis based on the chart patterns. It can go higher, or of course if we break this trend line here, it can come back down, so there's still a risk. But as I can say, this one is a good thing. The breakout, I hope we close above here today in a lower time frame, like your hourly. You could say we can go back down here, hitting your 200 moving up EMA, 200 exponential moving average, should I say, I'm sorry, and hitting this trend line again at 0.22, 48, 46 before we bounce up. And yeah, that's the risk here if we break this trend line, and of course we're going down, and I hope not. So watch carefully here if you want to enter a trade. Please watch for the confirmation candles before hopping in. This is just a fake out. Yeah, you see that? That's fake out, and I hope the next pump won't be a fake out. So watch these levels, your 0.22, 0.49. If it goes below here, then you're fucked up and I am wrong. Next token that I am seeing is your injective. Yeah, I want to use this from trading view. Let's go on in your weekly time frame first, and I've drawn a pattern here. As you can see here, here's your resistance and here's your support. Right, so what I am looking here, I have a this bars pattern, by the way. So remember that. I'm gonna put some horizontal line here. So I'm gonna remove this first. So as you can see here, I see this pattern. It's like this pattern, especially this one. Okay, I have to draw this to you guys. This pattern, you see that? It's just like these patterns here. And RSI too, still have a lot of rooms here. You see this? We have a lot of rooms to go up and hit this 94 area, or even lower, 93, 92, but to still have that. So now what I did is, of course, the bars pattern here. From this top, to another top here so we can get exact move here. So I'm gonna place this here. Sorry for the delays, but I want to be more accurate here. So hard doing this on the phone, but yeah. I just want it to be aligned here. See that? Want it to be aligned. Maybe we can come back down here. Your 9.99 before further continuation to the upside. Yes, you see that, and we're gonna hit this. We're gonna hit this resistance here, and now it's going to be your support, right? This one's, yeah, I won't elaborate that, but also this one, yeah, see that? Continues to bounce here. We got rejected here. Now we're gonna act this as a support. So your injective can go down a bit here before continuation bounce and hit this $90 area and hit this, but this takes 2026, you know. I don't know if this bull run will continue to 2026 or it will end this year. So let's proceed to the third token, which is your SUI. Not that. I don't know where's my chart here. I'm sorry for this. I just wanted to know my. Let's proceed, you know. I'm gonna draw this for you guys. So here you got a nice resistance here. And now the support, you see this? This is your support, this is your resistance there. And doing all again, this trend line here. Yeah, that one. And your ray here. I guess this is not. Let's proceed. Those lines. As you can see here, we have this beautiful triangle pattern here. See what I am saying here is this ones, guys. Yeah. So literally, your SUI can come back down here again to your trend line, which is 3.22 US dollars, and what a measured move here is this one. So yeah, there you go. I'm gonna adjust this, and you see this one first, right? So we're hitting this, I guess. This is such a wrong. Sorry. So let's do this again. So here, see that, hitting that. This one. Should I remove this? Yes. Doesn't matter now. Hitting this area. there, which is your $10.6. That's my price prediction for Sui, or how you call that. Your RSI2 has a lot of rooms to grow. Can hit this again, this 76.56 area for the market top. Maybe in October. You see this one? You see that, guys? That's October 13, 2025. Not to mention that, but let's proceed to the last token, which is your Immutable X, a gaming token, huh? I see a potential here. I don't know if it's this my chart again. Where did all my chart come? This is taking too long, you know, finding the right one. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna use this one from TradingView. So as you can see here, we got this again. This nice one. Right, that's your resistance. And this is your supports. So I am guessing this bull run will create this 1.8. You can go back up, down here before we're gonna push up down there. So if this is a measured move from this one to this one, you're gonna hit this high, $18 for a gaming token, maybe in the future. But right now we're talking about these possibilities, so we're gonna stop here at 1.81. Like that, because see here, we got this is strong rejections here. So let's see, that's my tokens that I'm watching. Hope you learned something and this helps you. Remember that I'm not your financial advisor, and please always do your own research. It's just my insights and my ideas, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Please do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you, bye bye.